My favorite sport is soccer. I am fans of the Liga de Quito teams, called by El Rey de Copas de America. I admire to Alexander Dominguez. He is archer of teams. We were champions of the Copa Sudamericana in 2023 years. It was a happiness, so I cried in the final. Every Sunday I go to the stadium. I play soccer with my friends and sometimes to travel to Manta to play with other teams. In August, I have a championship in Ambato City. I will play with number 10 by team captain.